3, 2, 1, and we're live.
Live in effect.
We're back with day 3. We still look like yesterday, but it's okay.
Yes.
Don't judge me because we
Well,
just
I'm
gonna
not
look
looking like
eat.
I have
And
my
it starts
sleeping shirt on.
right
now.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Dion Tony. It's your boy Dion.
Tony is here.
Welcome to our world where it's not a show, but it's our life.
That's right, babe.
So listen, it's day 3. We're headed up to go grab something to eat to put some nourishments in our bodies.
So I don't know if you guys noticed, we have not been ending any video because at the end of the day,
it's lit.
We are just done.
Lit and done.
Done.
Lit and done.
So we don't know what we're doing today, but on our way to eat breakfast. And then we'll decide from there, hook up with the whole crew.
Do we have a tan? Look at that melanin.
Yeah, I think we have a tan.
That melanin. All over our body.
When we get back to DC, it's going to be trouble trying to adjust back to the time difference. So,
because right now it's like 11 o'clock here, but it's like, what, 2 o'clock? 11, 12, 1, 2? Yeah, it's like 2 o'clock back home. So, you know, the time difference has been a little off. By the time we get adjusted to it, we're going to be switching back.
Right.
So, that's it. We have one more day. Tomorrow we leave.
Yep.
But it's pretty much a full day because we don't leave until 5 p.m. So,
damn.
That's that. Nikki, April behind, you know, hello. And we're headed
hello.
So we'll be back.
Damn it.
Okay, guys, so we finally came inside to eat. It's like a 30-minute, it's been like 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Huh?
Yeah. 30,
like 30 minutes. 30-minute wait. So we finally need some replenishing of our bodies with water.
Water right now.
So this is what we got. I got some buffalo wings, delicious. We got golden nachos. Those are bomb, guys. You didn't get nothing? You got wings.
Oh, shareables.
Yeah. Maybe got a salad. Good job, babe. So this is the actual entree that we got. I got an A1 burger. Nikki got an A1 burger. Dion got a
Chicken salad wrap.
chicken salad wrap. Baby got a
Classic burger.
classic burger.
And we're live. Live back into the saddle. Okay, so check this out. So we went in, we took a nap after breakfast. We ain't going nowhere else. We just took a nap. Our body said shut down. It was time to shut down, okay? So I'm standing outside of the room waiting for my guests to come on out. And there he is.
Hi, hello.
This is the coldest stand.
And we're live. And we're live.
Hello.
They're back.
We had to turn around.
Yeah.
April, and we're live. April, let Sellers have it. Sellers, how do you feel after April let you have it?
When I go back, I'm gonna get vaccinated.
He ran to it. Good job, April. Good job.
He probably gonna have to just take.
I mean, my thought is that if you're not vaccinated, it's just.
But you know what?
We have to protect everybody. It's like those who aren't vaccinated. It's just like it's one of the things where it's like, okay, so now everyone else has to. We all trying to. No, we all tired of marriage.
Avoid that damn man.
We all tired of doing it. It's like so.
All this.
Right. You know what I'm saying? So it's like let's just all do it so we can just find something. Where the hell the virus gonna go?
Okay, so where you're coming in at, we were talking about the vaccine. So we were talking about the vaccinated and the unvaccinated. We're back in it.
Right.
And we're live. Huh?
I said we don't feel all that pain.
Oh, no. We're live. We're hanging out. to go downtown and get the Fremont experience, Fremont Street experience, and
We all feel a little bit different. That's alright. Okay? My eye's shining because I got some eye for my star stuff. That ain't make sense. I got some ointment for my star stuff. Hopefully it worked for me. Period. Period. Look what I'm passing. I'm passing the pool with my drink. Okay? They out here.
coming to you live. Hit it up and hit it out. You know?
We're having technical difficulties trying to make it to the monorail. Can't find the monorail, so we came into the Harris. We're constantly asking about where to get the monorail. So as we embark on the monorail, you know, we all on here, we're chilling, having a good time, you know. We out here. We out here.
Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop southbound is Flamingo Caesar's Palace.
So we don't know
The
shit.
doors are closed.
We're learning as we go.
Feel a little different.
All of
Please
us.
hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop southbound is Bally's and Paris Las Vegas Station. Welcome aboard. Law requires all passengers wear a mask while riding. Failure to comply may result in denial of boarding or removal.
no one's
and
driving.
penalties under federal law. Thank you for your cooperation. There's no driver. Our next stop is the closest station to Bellagio and its iconic fountain show. Hollywood, featuring the Miracle Mile Shops and Gwen Stefani's Just a Girl show, the Cosmopolitan, featuring Marquee Night and Day Club, the Eiffel Tower Experience at Paris Hotel and Casino, and City Center, which includes Arena Resort and Casino, the Dara Hotel and Spa, the Waldorf Astoria, Gear Towers, and Crystal's Retail District. We hope you're having a great time riding the Las Vegas monorail. Do this your best monorail selfie at LV Monorail. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now arriving at MGM.
So y'all want to try the taxi? Taxi or the Uber? Hey guys, so look, we're inside. We're going on an excursion. We're taking a helicopter ride. So check out the video.
Zabita and Sal.
I've got fuel for one more.
Got it.
All right, guys, how we doing?
All right.
Good. My name is Matt. I'll be your pilot tonight. Thanks for waiting here as I rearrange the aircraft. Come a little bit closer for me. You guys get a chance to watch that video inside?
Yeah.
Awesome. Any questions on that video? Sweet. That makes my job kind of easy. The fan will shut off eventually. For now, I'm going to yell at you without a face mask on because it just makes it easier for you guys to understand. When we're in the aircraft, we do have to wear our face masks, all right? We do have an AC that works pretty well, but only once we get airflow. So it's going to be kind of hot for the first few minutes. I do apologize for my flight here. That's based on weight and balance. There's nothing I can do to change those seats. Not a bad seat in the house. One thing to know about me is I can fly a helicopter, but I can't pronounce names. So if I mispronounce your name, I do apologize in advance, okay? I'm looking for Erwin. You, sir. Second seat in will be yours. Dion. You, sir, will be right behind me. You'll be on this seat that I was using to demonstrate. This one right here. Everybody else? Right, other than hot, how are we doing on this side? Good. Forgot to mention, feel free to take all the pictures and videos you want at this point. Just make sure your flash is off for me and your phones are in airplane mode. Right. Watch your shoulders.
Do they come from a concert or something? Maybe they came from a concert. 'Cause they lit. Alright guys, so I don't know how much of this we're gonna be recording because the battery's low.
Yes.
So we've been out all day, but now we made it down to the Fremont experience.
Yes.
So we're gonna try to get a less recording in because the music playing, you probably can't hear this. So we'll just work it out and see how it goes.
I get real scared.
Does that mean it's like over?
Hey, we up in here. We up in here on the last night. We going on back to the room. We done had a goddamn ball. Y'all see this motherfuckers? Hold up. Y'all see them motherfuckers or whatever? He said y'all can hook the Bluetooth up. Ain't nobody trying to. Hold up. Last night, sporting in style. We in the motherfucker. What you call it? Limo.
Limo Escalade.
Limo Escalade. There you go. Hey, come on. Fuck that shit, y'all. We gonna be alright. We going on a plane and we gonna sleep. Hey, fuck that motherfucker.
cool. It's in the inside. It's spacious. And they got beer. Giving out free advertising.
Yes.
Hey, cruise instructions including information on seatbelts and smoking. If you have brought any alcohol on board, it is strictly prohibited to consume it, so please leave it stowed away in your bags. We do also ask that you wear a mask throughout the entire duration of the flight, covering both your mouth and your nose unless you are actively eating or drinking.